Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss an important topic, that is drainage pattern on the topo sheet. So let's start with some basic identification of the drainage pattern. So here we can find that most important drainage pattern. So here you can find the stream is going and some small streams are joining on some basic intervals. So this type of pattern is called a trellis pattern. And on the other hand, second pattern which we can identify here, so there is a main stream and some other streams are joining it on a particular interval and making a tree like shape. So such type of patterns are known as dendritic pattern. Third pattern, that is a radial pattern. So here we can find that streams are going in all the directions. It can be from a mountain top because of rainfall, then water flow from the mountain top in all the direction. So such type of patterns are formed, or it can be found where a lake is located in the center and small streams are joining toward a small lake. So such type of patterns are called radial pattern. Now fourth pattern, which is a parallel pattern. Here we can find that streams are joining on a parallel basis. So such type of patterns are called the parallel pattern. A fifth pattern, that is rectangular pattern. Here we can find that rivers are just making a rectangular shape. So let's identify these patterns on the topo sheet. Let's find a question here. Here we have a question that says how is the drainage pattern in grid square 1606 is different from the 1608? Let's identify, or let's find this answer from the topo sheets. So here we have grid square 1606. So exactly it is located here. Here we can find that rivers are going in all the direction, or streams are going from center to all the directions. So that is why we can consider this grid as a radial pattern, or we can say it is a radial pattern. And on the other hand, we need to compare it with the 1608, that is this square. So here we can find this square, and here we can find that rivers are going and some small stream are joining it on some interval. So this type of pattern we can call it as a trellis pattern. Or here we can find another pattern, so that is a rectangular shape. So that is why we consider it as a rectangular shape pattern. So such type of questions can be asked by giving you grid square. They can ask what type of pattern prevails in one particular grid square, or sometime they can ask you that what is particular stream, or where particular stream is making a particular pattern. So hope you understood the topic. For the further video, we will be meeting on the topic of settlement. Thank you very much.